Already get the down.
Yeah, there's already piece waiting.
It's fine.
But I'm just gonna clean the outside first.
I heard that actually you should clean themselves.
The inside, it naturally pushes anything too much out. But now it's been pushed all the way out here to your ear and you didn't clean it. Yeah. That's a part that you're supposed to clean from the shower.
No, I do like this, but I don't.
Yeah, not like enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Apparently not.
Apparently. How much? Can I see? Can I see?
No, not yet. Just stay outside. And then, wait, stop. We're gonna get to the nasty part.
No! It's gonna be so bad. Make it away. Make it away. I told you it's gonna be. Wow.
Tuck this hair behind here. Okay, stop. Okay, because I don't want to touch that earwax. I want to get rabies or something.
What is this?
Rabies.
What's that?
It's the disease you get when a rabid animal bites you, then you die. You slowly get infected and then you die slowly.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Should I just shave your head so all this hair doesn't? Yeah, let me get a good feel. I don't need to see too much.
No.
Push it up.
Huh? Oh no. I feel already.
No. There's actually nothing. There's nothing.
Half of my ear is. Why are you then so pressing so much? Half of my ear is like getting loose.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Suddenly my ear.
There's nothing.
Suddenly my ear falls off.
All that yellow stuff. Like honestly, like I need to go back and forth again until it's like white and clean. That's how we do like oil changes. Not oil changes. Bleeding like transmission fluid from your car, or you gotta do it again and again and again until it's clear.
Is it clear?
Till the Q-tip is clear.
It feels so strange. I tell you.
It's better. See, that's the second time around. Then we get into the outer ear. And we already have a golden nugget that's just standing right there.
It's ready, huh?
Yeah, it's like right here.
Yeah, I saw it on the video. Is it getting us?
I just gotta get the right angle. It literally just popped out.
Where?
No, it's weird.
Okay. It looked bigger.
It was really dry though, so.
But you're also like pressing.
Yeah, because it's like I'm like kind of exfoliating it, just all the old ears and ears. Turn more sideways for me. Thank you.
I'm feeling like at the dentist.
I can see clearly.
I feel like at the dentist. Feel sticky?
Yeah, it's sticky.
Huh? It feels sticky. Oh.
Sorry. I'm not going too deep. Is that uncomfortable?
Yes.
You want to do it yourself? Here, you do it yourself.
No.
There's not much. Just sticky, oily stuff. Here, you do it yourself.
No. Why should I go deeper?
Well, what I like to do is I do it by myself, but I like to get behind just the crevice right here. 'Cause there's usually a lot of stuff back there, like back here.
Are you there?
No, not really, because I don't want to hurt you. But it doesn't hurt. If you
No,
do it
it's not
yourself,
hurting. It's just uncomfortable.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
See? This is what I would do to myself. And yeah, you're pretty much clean after that, I think. It's not that dirty. There you go. All done. See?
Now my ear is super warm.
Yeah, it's a little red, a little irritated. That's what I do too to my ear. But my ear, I already did it today.
That looks
See, not that much.
okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mr. Ear Doctor, Ear Cleaner.